Happy Friday morning. I decided to get up and go for a walk. This weather is great today in Houston. It's about maybe 75 degrees. I thought it would be a little cooler out here. You see, I got this jacket on. I'm probably gonna have to take it off, but I decided to go for a little walk. But I wanna ask you guys a question. What motivates you guys? I know when I was growing up, we're in the Generation X in the 70s. We were taught to go to school, you get you a good job, and you work there all your life, and when you die, you enjoy your time in heaven. But the millennials, they're thinking a little differently now. You know, they're moving from job to job, they're trying different things. And 5 years ago, I thought that was a bad thing. I said, these millennials, they're jumping all over the place. Why don't they just stay in one place and just work and be happy and don't worry about taking all these other chances. Just enjoy the time right there. But what made me think a little differently was in 2019, right before the pandemic. I worked at a job. I started that job in 1992. And in 2019, 27 years later, they walked into my office and say, hey, Mr. Lewis, we no longer need you anymore. Wow. Yeah, I said, after 27 years. So I packed up my things and I got in my truck and I began to drive home, and I started thinking about all the sacrifices that I made for this company. All the sacrifices, traveled all over the world, went to India, Africa, up in the northern Africa, way up in the mountains. Went to Germany, Canada, where it was freezing, Saudi Arabia. I went all these places. And while I was thinking about that, I said, while I was out in these places that nobody else wanted to go, the owner of the company probably was in the Bahamas sitting on his yacht, sipping on wine. And I started thinking about it. I said, I was living somebody else's dream. So I was helping them live their dreams. And that was a long ride home. And now I understand why these millennials moving all over the place, you know, and they're taking chances, especially my daughter. They'll go to one job and then that's not good. They'll go to another one. They're trying to figure out side hustles and trying to do this. And that motivates me now, because I used to be motivated by these billionaires and millionaires, these celebrities. But what motivates me is the ordinary people, you know, people that are out there taking chances, trying different things, ain't afraid of failure. If you fail, get up and try again. That is what motivates me. And here lately, I've been trying a few things. I failed at a few things, but I'm still keep going and still trying. I'm not giving up. I'm gonna try these different things. I got to fill up that bucket list. You know, I got a food truck and I'm doing a few things. You guys look at my channel. It's called welding and stuff. I'm doing a lot of other stuff. But this is quote, I think I remember, I try to remember it. It's called Our Deepest Fear. It says our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we're powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. So we ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, and fabulous? Actually, who are you not to be? You are a child of God, yet playing small does not serve this world. There's nothing enlightening about shrinking so that others won't feel so insecure around you. We were born to make manifest the glory of God that is within us. It's not just in some of us, it's in everyone. So as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people the permission to do the same. As we're liberated from our fear, our presence automatically liberates others. And I hope I got that quote right. But anyway, I would like to hear some of the things in the comments. What motivates you guys? Are the millennials doing it the right way? Did us Generation X do it the right way? I'm curious. And again, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. And me and my wife, we're gonna take off here in a few minutes, probably go down to Galveston to Kima. She's gonna drop the top on her car and we're gonna just cruise and relax today. When we get where we're going, I'm gonna get me a couple of beers. She's gonna get a margarita. We're gonna eat some crawfish and crabs, and we're just gonna enjoy this weekend. So don't sit around the house and mope. Get out and enjoy life. Thank you and have a great day.